Super high protein made with 4 organic, that's how they make it, a company called Heart. Well worth going to. Beautiful. So pasta shapes, you can get all different ones. So these are just like, what do they look like? I don't know. Whatever. Pasta shapes. High protein, 4 organic eggs. That's what they use to make a batch, I believe, of. I think I bought kilo batches. Yeah. So that's what you want. Bit of salt. Put them on the heat. Oh, what I thought I'd tell you is I'm making a super high protein salad. So it'll be pasta, and I'll share as I'm going along. 2 onions chopped fine. That's not good for your eyes. A little bit of assortment of peppers, just a couple, coming towards the end of life, but rescued them. They're fine, nothing wrong with them. Just any of the soft bits, just throw away. 2 tins of tuna. I prefer in oil, but we haven't got any, so they're in brine, so I'll add some oil as well. Okay, open, strain, and flake contents into contents, which you'd have to, because you couldn't get out the tin without opening it. Pasta's cooked, now chuck, if you've got them, a handful of peas in there as well. Whack these 3 in as much as you want. Well, not too much of that, because it's a lot of salt. Chili, I'm going to put a bit of hot sauce as well. Grab 2 of these, start cooking them hard boil. A couple of sticks of celery, finely chopped. Take off, strain under cold water. Spin around so they all get, let it cool. Plenty of olive oil. I like olive oil. Jane likes olive oil, not within reason. There's garlic flakes and chili flakes and salt. Drain pasta, add to mix. Empty bowl. Just drizzle some red hot. What's it called? Original Dalmeo. Is it? Yeah. You know, you get them with your pasta, with your pizza, but we don't have it much. The kids bring them. Right, now get a big spoon and mix it all in. Cucumber, anything you got really, whatever you want to stick in. So cucumber, I'm going to quarter him, 1/8 him probably, cut him into little tiny squares. Stir it all in with a little bit of fresh mayo. And that is lush. I haven't finished yet. There's one more secret ingredient to make it a super high protein salad. Okay, and the last. These are a little bit awkward to peel because they are our eggs.
Absolutely, totally fresh, and then you'll have to peel them.
These were from today. These are organic, so well, because they would be, because they're from our chickens today. Yeah, so there you go. So we'll serve it up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's served. So this is what I mean by super high protein. That's what you have to do. Use a spoon and just gently take, because otherwise it'll just mush up everywhere.
Because they're so fresh.
Focus of it, yeah. How's that?
I've just been gardening.
Super. Mom's got, yeah, she's got the shake. She's been gardening. Carrots.
A little bit of salt.
There we go. One beautiful, lush, high protein salad.
Pepper?
No more, yeah, a little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper on the eggs. Superb. Thank you very much for watching. Bon appetit.